Welcome to Bankline, where you can view all your business accounts in one place, manage your finances, and complete everyday tasks whenever you choose. In this video, we're going to show you how to change an address in Bankline. Let's take a look. To do this, you'll need the relevant privileges. Your administrator can assign these for you. To begin, click Account Servicing from the main menu at the top of your page. Click Change an Address, then choose either Principal Address or Statement Address. Principal Address is your main address with the bank, and Statement Address is where we send your account-related mail. Let's choose Principal Address for this example. Now choose your company. If you have more than one, then click Edit Address. Update your address and choose when you want us to make the change. Use your smart card to approve the request and click Submit to Bank. If we don't need any more information, your request will go through within 2 working days. And that's it. This is just one of the ways Bankline could make your life a little easier. To find out more about Bankline and how it could help your business, just visit us here